This video will guide you on how to change the rear brake pads of an Audi Q7 2013 to 2015 models. You can either use an helicopter driver or conventional wrench to operate the jack. Remove the highest bolt last to prevent the wheel from dropping. Release this pin before removing the locking bar. Once the locking bar is free, remove the retaining plate next. Make sure that you've got the right parts. You can order them from trusted dealers. Once the cylinder is pushed in properly, there will be enough room for you to place the new pads. The sensor cable will send signal to your car's computer when the pads are worn out. You can see, they come over here, and then let's put this. Make sure that the female and male connector locks properly. Let's see, click, should click. Okay. I have to put this back. Pause me. Lubricate the holes and the locking bar for easier installation. Check the brake disc thickness or any signs of damage. Tighten the bolts in a star-shaped pattern. Release the jack by using the impact driver or a conventional wrench. And finally, don't forget to remove the socket wrench and your locking wheel nut.